Hello, good evening, all. This is Shubham from Firestein. So, I welcome you all to our webinar on the backtesting and optimization of the profitable strategy using AmiBroker. So today we have with us Mr. Kushal Jain. He's a founder of AlgoFox and using AmiBroker, trading AmiBroker since last 3-4 years. So he has a vast experience in the AmiBroker trading, and he has several tried and tested backtested AFL collections as well. So he will be take us through how to backtest and optimize the profitable AFLs on AmiBroker. So Kushal, yeah, you can take this forward from here.
Thank you so much, Shubham. Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Kushal, and if you're able to hear me, kindly in the chat section, tell us your name and from which city you are, and if you have ever heard about algorithmic trading or AmiBroker or backtesting or optimization of a strategy. So if you have heard anything regarding this in the past, or if you have ever tried and tested, you can interact with me in the chat section. In the meanwhile, we'll just wait for other attendees to join in, and I can take up your questions. Hi Jayesh. Okay, Jayesh is from Pune. Hi Jayesh. So I hope you have used AmiBroker or have at least know about webinar, no, backtesting and optimization. Okay, never tried and tested. Hi Mahendra. Sukhendu, are you able to hear me? Because I think others are able to hear me. Right. So okay, so you have not used AmiBroker but have backtested on different platforms. That's okay. So the agenda of this webinar is to show you how to create a strategy, then how to backtest a strategy, and also how to optimize it to make it more profitable. So as the webinar progresses, we'll discuss a lot of strategies, we'll backtest them, we'll see what are the things that we have to add in backtest to make the results look more realistic. And then finally, we will optimize, and also I'll showcase your platform where you can automate all of this. Right. So let's start then. So first of all, why algorithmic trading? Well, first of all, there are two types of trading right now, manual trading and algorithmic trading. In manual trading, you basically punch orders on your own manually by judging based upon charts, technical analysis or fundamental analysis, or by the tips or advisory, right? You place orders manually. Second is algorithmic trading, where algorithms or logics are running and they generate entries and exit signals. The entries and exit signals generated by algorithms can be executed manually or also automatically. Now, why one should prefer algorithmic trading over manual trading is because in algorithmic trading, you can scan multiple stocks in flash. That means if you have a watch list of say 50 stocks or even 100 stocks, you can scan all those stocks in few milliseconds, and you can see which stock has given entry and which stock has given exit. Now, before I talk in detail about this, you might have seen a lot of YouTubers or a lot of people who are having multiple screen, 2 screen, 3 screen, 4 screens. Sometimes some traders even have 6 screens where they are seeing different charts and different patterns. But no need of doing all of that. No need to spend so much of money on such big infrastructure, because in algorithmic trading, you can actually scan and monitor hundreds of scripts in a single screen. Second important thing about algorithmic trading is that you decide your targets, your stop loss, your risk reward ratio. You design your own entry and exit criteria. There is only mathematics involved. There is no emotions involved at all. It is just pure maths and logic that is giving you profits, right? So this makes your trading more disciplined. A lot of time beginners fail to make money in the market because they have a correct strategy, but they don't have patience or they don't have enough emotional control over themselves that they are able to wait for the profits. During loss, they wait a lot, and during profits, they exit very, very early. And since because of this emotional imbalance, our trading becomes indisciplined. However, in algorithmic trading, these problems are resolved. You have your predefined stop losses and predefined targets. You have your predefined risk reward ratio, because of which your trading becomes a lot more disciplined. Third important aspect about algorithmic trading is that algorithmic trading processes instant orders and has errorless execution. Now, why am I emphasizing on errorless execution? Is because as a novice trader, we might have made a lot of minor errors. Like, for example, if someone wants to trade in weekly options, instead of buying weekly options, someone might have bought monthly option by mistake. Or if two scripts are having similar name, like let us say HDFC and HDFC Bank are having similar name, instead of buying HDFC, we end up buying HDFC Bank, so forth and so on. These are some errors that we as a human tend to make during order executions. These errors are nullified and the orders processed are instant. Also, whenever you have your own strategy or whenever you have your own logics, whenever you have defined your risk reward ratio, before actually executing in the live market, you can back test. What do you mean by back testing? It means you can check whether the strategy is actually profitable or not in the past. And if it was profitable, you can optimize it to make it more profitable. And then finally, with your optimized settings, you can go on to you can go on executing in the live market, which would definitely give you better and bigger profits. Now, before I move ahead, if you have any doubts in this slide, feel free to ask in the chat section. If you have any doubts so far, feel free to ask in the chat section. In the meantime, I'll just switch on Miami Broker. Well, we'll be talking about back testing and optimization on platform like AmiBroker. Now, there are different platforms. There is TradingView, there is Zero Streak, there is AmiBroker, there is MT4. There are a lot of platforms where you can back test and optimize your strategies. So today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful tool, that is AmiBroker, and we'll talk about how to back test and optimize it. All right, so this is my VPS, and here the scanner is already running in. So any doubts so far here, or if everything is clear, you can let me know that so far everything is clear, so that we'll move ahead. Okay, in the Q&A section, I have a question from Vinayak. So Vinayak says, can we trade with fully auto trade algo, or it will be semi-auto algo? So Vinayak, the answer is that you will be able to fully trade algo with full trading, no, fully automated. It won't be semi-automated. That means as soon as an entry or exit has come, the order will be instantly executed. Right? So any other doubts apart from Vinayak? All right, great. So let's move ahead then. Just a minute. Yeah. All right. So I've just stopped the scanner. All right. So now here, let us say this is how AmiBroker looks like. Now on AmiBroker, you have to write your own strategy in the form of a code or a logic called as AmiBroker formula language. So if I have, this is a strategy that I have developed on my own. If you have to see the code of this strategy, I'll go to edit formula. You can see this is how I have written the code for the strategy. I'm not here to teach you AFL or anything. I'm just showing you how the strategies are written on AmiBroker. Now I'll start with a simple strategy. Let us say moving average strategy, and I'll tell you why I'm choosing AmiBroker and why it is one of the most powerful trading tool. So I'll just help you with that as well. Let me just take a blank chart. Right. So now here, I'll take a simple AFL. let us say EMA crossover, a simple moving average crossover AFL or a strategy. Now, in this particular strategy, this strategy would generate entry and exit signal based upon crossover, and I'm using, let us say, on 5 minutes chart. Now, if I go to the parameters, I'm plotting the lines. You can see that there are two moving averages. One is in the thick white line, the other is in the thin white line. And whenever the moving average is giving a crossover, we are doing an entry or an exit. So today on November 6th, we had a short here. We had a predefined target which got executed here. There can be a stop loss also. Now stop loss you can see as a small red dotted line, and target was also dark dotted line itself. So if I go back in the past to check, you can see there are a lot of crossovers. Like at this crossover, we had an entry, short entry, target was not achieved. Then there was an exit and reverse, and then it also did not achieve, so forth and so on. So right, so this is a basic simple moving average strategy with a predefined target and predefined stop loss. In the parameter section, I am deciding my target and stop loss. If my stop loss is 1% and target is 1%, that is my risk reward ratio is 1:1. That means wherever I am entering from that point, I have 1% stop loss or 1% target. I can modify this. I can make the target as, let us say, 2%. Now my risk reward ratio is 1:2. Now you can see that from my entry, my target is achieved here, that is 2% fall, right? So forth and so on. So I can also play around with my stop loss. I can modify the stop loss to maybe say 1.5%, and I can have some intraday settings. I want to trade right from 9:15. If you're a very conservative trader, if you don't want to trade during volatility, you can start trading from 9:30 onwards. So any signals between 9:15 to 9:30 will be smartly ignored. No entry after 2:45, because I know that after 2:45 I will open position. I will not get the entire rally, so I don't want to take trades after 2:45. However, if you want, you can change it and make it, let us say, 3 o'clock, and square off all my open position at 3:15. So this is a simple formula of the AFL that I've written on AmiBroker, and based upon this formula, the entries and exits are getting generated. Now, before I move ahead, I'll just take questions here. Okay, so Jayesh asked, if we are not aware of AFL, how can we go ahead? Jayesh, so basically AFL is an AmiBroker formula language. At the end of this webinar, I'll also help you get these AFLs and try and test your own strategies and templates. Right, and okay, so Mitesh asked, is it an AWS service? So Mitesh, I have just hosted my AmiBroker on AWS. Yes, of course, but it is not mandatory for you to use AWS. You can use AmiBroker on your local machine as well. I have AmiBroker on my local machine as well as on my AWS. I'll just show you this as well. You can see that this is my AWS, right, that I'm hovering around, and this is my local machine. You can see that I have an AmiBroker in my local machine as well. And on my AWS also, I'm having an AmiBroker. So I'm just focusing upon AmiBroker. Okay, so Jayesh asked, does it work on option? Yes, Jayesh, 100% yes. It would definitely work upon options as well. Okay, so what is the advantage of AWS? Vinayak, if time permits, I will definitely answer that at the end, but that is not the agenda of this webinar right now. Okay, so let us say we have this simple moving average strategy. There are two EMA, EMA1 and EMA2. Based upon the crossover, we are taking entries and exits. Now, I want to just check whether this simple moving average, this is a simple exponential moving average strategy, whether this is profitable or not. Now, how do I do that? In the analysis, there are two types of analysis in AmiBroker, new analysis and old automatic analysis. You can prefer any of them, both are one and the same. I'll just choose old automatic analysis for now to explain you how things work. And here also, I'll pick the same strategy. I'll pick the same strategy, that is EMA crossover, that I've already created. And now I'll define the parameters again. EMA1 is 20, EMA2 is 50, 20 and 50 EMA crossover. Target, let us say we start with 1% target, 1% stop loss. Intraday, I want to trade from 9:15 till 2:45, square of everything at 3:15, so forth and so on. And leverage, I am taking 10x as leverage. Here you can see account margin as 0.1. 0.1 means 10x leverage. 0.2 means 5x leverage. 1 means no leverage, right? So 0.1 means 10x leverage. Let us say we take with 0.2 because market is very volatile. Brokers provide around 5x leverage only. So I'm taking 0.2, that is 5x leverage, and everything is ready. In the settings, I'll select 5 minutes chart. I want to back test my strategy on a 5 minutes chart, and I'll just show you a few things here. Well, I want to back test from say 1st of July till today, 11th of November, from and to in the backtest setting, and in the current symbol, that is ACC, I want to backtest only ACC. And when I click on backtest, the results are here. You can see I am having a profit of 73%. A profit of 73.96% on my principal using a simple strategy. There is no advanced things that I've included here, right? Very, very simple strategy. What is it? Just 2 moving average crossover with a predefined target and predefined stop loss. That's it. Now, in this particular strategy, I can check how much is my winning accuracy. In the winners, you can see here, winners is 58.18%. Right, I'll just show you where the winners are by an annotation. So here you can see there is a winner here, right, 58%, and losers are 41%, right? So winning accuracy is around close to 60%, losing accuracy is just 40%, and because of which the strategy is profitable. Now this is when I have risk reward ratio as 1:1. Now what if I have to change it? What if I make risk reward as 1:2? Stop loss is 1% and target is 2%. If I make this as my settings and then I click on backtest, well, now my profits are 94% on my principal, right? The winning accuracy has come down. Instead of 58%, now the winning accuracy is just 52%, and the losing is 47 to 48%. Doesn't matter, but since our risk reward ratio was 1:2, I was able to make more profits, right? In spite of having poor winning accuracy. Similarly, I can just play around. I can make targets stop loss as 0.75% and target as 1.5%. It will still become 1:2 risk reward ratio. And now if I click on backtest, now the profits are just 87%. So I can just play around with all these parameters and check what is the best set of parameters that would give me the most profits in this particular script. Now these parameters are working on ACC. That does not mean it will work on all the other scripts as well. For example, if I have to check a different stock like Asian Paint, when I click on Asian Paint, here I've clicked on Asian Paint, and if I click on backtest, well, the result is just a profit of 60%. Here, winning accuracy is 41% and losing is 58%, right? Similarly, if I take some other stock, let us say Bajaj Finance, and backtest, well, now the winning percentage is just 18%. That's it, right? Because winning accuracy is just 38% and losing is 62%. So different scripts will have different backtest settings. You will have to try these permutations and combinations and understand what type of strategy works on what type of scripts. There are 3 types of scripts. One are neutral scripts, one are high beta scripts that is very volatile, and one are low beta scripts which hardly moves at all, right? So now it depends upon your strategy, what type of strategy your logic is all about. So for example, if your logic works on high beta stocks or high volatility stocks, then you can perform on those stocks which are moving 3 to 4% on every day's basis, like something like maybe JSW Steel. And if I backtest on them, you'll get around 90% profit. So high beta stock, you'll get good profits. Low beta stocks on this particular strategy, you'll make less profits. Now, this is the simple backtesting setup that I've shown you. As the webinar progresses, we'll talk in detail about more advanced and more complicated backtest setups. Okay, so before I go ahead, let me take few questions here. So Mohammed asks, okay, please show intraday short straddle automation and backtesting. Mohammed, I will definitely show you automation. Backtesting, well, short straddle right now will not be possible because too much of settings would be involved on AmiBroker. But yes, if time permits, I will conduct another webinar for sure where I'm showing you options, strategies, backtesting, and automation for sure. Okay, so Mahendra CV asked, how are the exit orders executed? Do we have some default codes or scripts or AFLs provided by AmiBroker? Okay, so Mahendra, so in AmiBroker by default there are functions like buy, sell, short, cover. These are the 4 inbuilt functions, Mahendra, inside AmiBroker. So you have to just define your entries and exits, and for entry it will be buy or short, for exit it will be sell or cover. So if you define, the moment you define, AmiBroker will automatically calculate it and it will create the report and it will showcase you here, right? All right, so taking other questions. Does it work with Fire's data? Sukhendu, AmiBroker does not work with Fire's data. However, Fires has collaborated with True Data, and Fires will help you get data from True Data, and from taking data from True Data, you will be able to stream charts and you will be able to backtest and automate your trades. Yeah, Sukhendu asks, how is it different from the competitors he has mentioned? So Sukhendu, as the webinar progresses, I'm sure you'll find the answer. So just stay tuned. I'm going to show you something very, very advanced, which the platform that you have mentioned is absolutely impossible to implement those things. Okay, right. So let's move ahead. So this was a simple strategy based upon what do you say? Moving average. Now let us move ahead and let me show you one more strategy on super trend. Now, how many of you have actually used something called as super trend, an indicator called as super trend? Has anyone used super trend here? If you guys have used super trend, you can let me know that. In the meantime, I'll just apply super trend formula. Yeah, so I have super trend AFL. All right, so let me take your answers here. Okay, so Mahendra says yes, he has used super trends, able to capture the fractals very well. Okay, right, so a lot of people have used super trend. All right, great. So a lot of people know what is super trend. That's great. So Vamshi asked, will I be teaching how to write a code? Vamshi, we are creating a free course on how to write a code as well. So once the entire course is completed, we'll definitely update you about that, and there you can learn how to write a code on AmiBroker free of cost. All right, let's move ahead. Super trend is basically an ATR line. You can see there is an ATR line plotted on the chart, red and green color line. So it keeps moving up and down. The moment any candle cuts a particular this ATR line, there is a sell signal generated. And if again the candle cuts this ATR or super trend line towards upside, again a buy signal would be generated, and this keeps fluctuating on and off, right? You will be seeing that at every crossover there are buy and sell signals generating. Some signals are working, some signals are not working, so forth and so on. Like there was a sell signal generated here, market went down. Next day again there was a gap down, so again next day a new trade, market went down, so forth and so on. So I don't know whether super trend is profitable or not. The moment I'll start back testing, I'll come to know whether super trend is profitable or not profitable. Okay, so okay, Mahendra asked a very interesting question. Signal generation is at the completion of candle or the moment crossing happens. So Mahendra, the answer is signal is generated on the candle completion or next candle open. So if I have to show you here itself, you can see that the crossover happened here, but on the next candle open we have taken trade. Similarly, the crossover happened here on this particular candle, but on the next candle we have taken a buy. Because since you have asked this question, I believe you might be knowing that a lot of indicators are repainting indicators. That means they keep fluctuating, and sometimes the entries and exits also disappear if you keep signal generation at the moment of crossing itself. So instead of keeping it at the cross itself, right, we have to make sure that either we are keeping the generating the signal at the signal generating candle completion or next candle open. So here smartly what we have decided is that we will be generating signal at the next candle open, right? So I hope that answers your question, Mahendra. Thank you so much for that question. Right. So this is how super trends are generating entries and exit signal. For those who don't know what is repainting, well, repainting means a particular phase where entries are generated because of candle are live and moving in a certain direction, and then when the candle is not yet completed, if the market moves in different direction, the signal disappears. So I will be creating a entire video on what is repenting and non-repenting indicators very soon. That would help you understand what is repenting indicator, what is non-repenting indicator, and how to make your algorithms non-repenting, and how do you catch more, more profits out of it. Now coming back to this particular super trend, since a lot of you have already used super trend, uh, a lot of people have habit of using multi-time frame super trend. Multi-time frame means they will be checking super trend, whether super trend is giving a buy or sell signal in 1 minute chart, in 5 minutes chart, in 15 minutes chart, and also on hourly chart. When super trend is giving buy in all the 4 charts, only then they will buy, or when super trend is giving sell in all the 4 charts, only then they will short, so forth and so on. So among a lot of people who have used super trend here, has anyone done that? Like they are confirming with multiple time frames on a single script that okay, in 1 minute also they want buy, on 5 minutes also they want buy, on 15 minutes also they want buy. Only when they have so much of confirmation, only then they would enter or exit. So has anyone done that? If yes or no, you can let me know. Right. So Vamshi says he prefers super trend on 2 time frames, 1 minute time frame and 5 minutes. Right. So anyone else, or anyone who has used super trend has used only on one single time frame? Okay. Now here, taking a step ahead, AmiBroker has this facility to make any indicator a multiple time frame indicator. Now this was a single time frame indicator, right? So in a Q&A section, there are okay single only on single time frame a lot of people have used. All right, so now here let me take you to this particular chart. You can see here this is a super trend chart, but here you will see there are 4 time frames: TF1, TF2, TF3, TF4. Time frame 1, time frame 2, time frame 3, time frame 4. On a single chart, I am able to see in which direction the super trends are on which time frame. So TF1 is in buy signal, TF2, that is time frame 2, is buy, time frame 3 is sell, and time frame 4 is buy. What are these time frames? I can set in the parameters. I have given the parameters here. How many time frames do I want to test into? 4. Time frame 1, 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. Time frame 2, 300 seconds, that is 5 minutes. Time frame 3, 900 seconds, that is 15 minutes. I can change it to 10 minutes also, make it say 600, 10 minutes. And time frame 4 is 1800, that is half an hour. Now here I am checking multiple time frames, and here since I am checking multiple time frames, I have also given multiple targets, target 1 and target 2. So on my target 1 is say 2% from my entry point, target 2 is say 4% from my entry point, stop loss is say 2%, and I want a trailing stop loss also between target 1 and target 2, and I want this as a positional strategy. This will not be an intraday strategy, or I can switch between intraday and on and off. So currently I'm just showing you by off. Super trend 10 and 2, most famous. Some people use 10, 3, 7, 2, 7, 3, so forth and so on. Right now I'm just showing you on chart with 10 and 2. And now on the chart, if you will see here, on this particular chart, you will see on November 5, here at this particular point, TF1, TF2, TF3, TF4, all the time frames of super trend were buy. because of which we bought here. Target 1 was achieved here. Target 1 was 2%. So we book 50% of our quantity here. If I'm taking 100 shares, I book 50% of my shares here. The rest 50%, there is a white color trailing stop loss going on. You can see that is a trailing stop loss till target 2. So right now, neither trailing stop loss has triggered nor my target 2 has triggered in this script, that is UPL. So if I go back, you'll see there are a lot of days when there is no entry because TF1, TF2, TF3, TF4 was not matching. However, here when it first matched here, it hit our 2% ka stop loss and we were out of the trade, right? So if I go back, I might find very less entries when there are multiple confirmations. You can see there's a confirmation here and within 2-3 candles, 4% target was achieved. Here there was an entry, 2% target achieved, then there is a trailing stop loss and then another 50% target achieved at trailing stop loss, so forth and so on. So these are some superior advantage of AmiBroker which no other platforms has. Some of you have mentioned some other competitor platforms where you were back testing, but I'm very sure that such kind of advanced back testing or advanced chart visualization is not on your mentioned platforms. All right, so here few people have asked few questions. All right, Mahendranath asked, is it possible to plot multiple time frame super trend on a single chart? It is absolutely possible, Mahendra. It is 100% possible. All right, moving ahead. Questions? No other questions? Okay, Vamshi has asked a question. How the number of shares or lots considered for futures and options by algo? So Vamshi, when we'll come to automation, we'll talk about algo and stuff. Don't worry about that right now. Okay, just don't worry about that right now. Just focus on this topic which we are discussing about backtesting and optimization. Chalo, if anyone has any question, feel free to type it here. In the meanwhile, we'll continue. Now, let us say I have super trend and I want to backtest the performance of super trend as well. Now, this is where we are discussing about backtesting. Okay. So JSW, I'll be first backtesting, let us say, single super trend, not multi time frame super trend. I'll be backtesting single time frame super trend itself. So in the analysis section, again, I'll go to old automatic analysis and I'll pick super trend this time, right? So super trend is somewhere here. Yes. In the parameters, I'll mention the parameters 2 and 10. Leverage is 5x, 0.2. Intraday mode on. I want to trade from 920 onwards, let us say. And I want to trade till 250 and square of everything at say 310. All right. So this is done. In the settings, I've mentioned 5 minutes chart. And when I'll backtest on a script like JSW Steel, if I click on backtest, you will see I've made a profit of only 19%, 19%, where winners is 38% and losers is 61%. But however, I wish to make more profits in JSW Steel. Let us say I want to find out that which super trend parameters are best for JSW Steel. Now, among you, a lot of people are actually using super trend. So can you tell me your favorite parameters? Let me put your favorite parameters for JSW Steel and backtest. Okay, 10-2 and 7-3. So 10-2 I've already discussed. So let us say we'll go with 7-3. 7 and 3. And I'll click on backtest. Well, 7-3 worked pretty well. It has given 55% profit. Winners is 42%, losers is 57% on JSW Steel. However, if I want to know for JSW Steel in the last few months from 1st of July, we are backtesting from 1st of July till today. I want to know what is the best parameter for JSW Steel in super trend, which super trend parameters are best. So in how do I find that? in the parameters, I have optimization. I'll switch on the optimization. Click on optimize. So AmiBroker says there are 6,709 permutations and combinations that we will have to do to help you find out which supertrend parameters are best. If I click on yes, it will find for me which is the best supertrend parameter for JSW Steel. Now this process is called as optimization. That means using historical data, you do a lot of permutations and combination to come up with the best profitable system, right? So manually, you cannot even imagine doing 6,709 steps for a single script. But on AmiBroker, it is so easy that it will help you do that. Now, again, when it comes to other backtesting platforms like TradingView or MT4 or XYZ platforms, there is no feature of optimization. That is what makes AmiBroker much powerful and most popular tool. So the results are out. The best supertrend parameter for JSW Steel is 4.3 and 20. You can see here, first is 4.3 and 20. So in the parameters, if I make it 4.3 and I'll make this 20, switch off the optimization and click on backtest, the results are 122%. That means this is the highest result Supertrend could have given you in the last 4 months for JSW Steel. Now this is a parameter or optimized parameter for JSW Steel. This might not work on a script like, let us say, L&T. If I click on backtest for L&T, you will see only 18% profit. But if I have to find optimized parameter for L&T, there will be a different set of optimized parameter. I'll again optimize for L&T and I'll find a different set of parameter. Similarly, if anyone wants to check what is the optimized parameter for Nifty or for Bank Nifty, you can select Nifty or Bank Nifty here and optimize it. I will do that as well in a while. Right. In the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, so for L&T, well, the best optimized parameters are 6.3 and 11. So right, so let us make this 11 and this 6.3. Switch off the optimization and backtest. Well, results is 85%. So more profits, right? Similarly, if I go to Nifty, I have Nifty here. And if I optimize Nifty and find out which supertrend parameter in the last 6 months has given the best result for Nifty, so I'll be able to do that. Okay, so I have the answers. The best parameter is 1.8 and 85. 1.8 and 85. So here I'll just put 1.8 and 85. Switch off the optimization and not a backtest. Well, now you have 349% profits. Looks a little unrealistic, but however, yes, it's around 349% profits on Nifty by using 1.8 and 80 something supertrend parameters. All right, so this is how you can optimize your strategy. So you can build any strategy on AmiBroker, create a code, backtest it, and then optimize it to make it more profitable. In our first example, I used 20 and 50 moving average, right? For some scripts, it gave profit. For some scripts, it did not give profits. So if I click on optimize, then AmiBroker will suggest me, instead of using 20 and 50, which supertrend parameters are the best. And accordingly, I can trade into those parameters, right? So this is how backtesting and optimization works. And this is how you can use AmiBroker to backtest and optimize any algorithm that you wish to trade into. Now, before we move ahead into automation, now this was all about how to backtest, how to optimize. Now, final stage will be implementation, how to actually automate your trades and make it more profitable. Now, before we move ahead into implementation, I would like to ask if there is any doubts. Feel free to post your doubts here and we will be answering those questions. If you don't have any doubts, you can say all concepts are clear, so that I will not wait for your questions and I'll quickly move to automation. Okay, so all clear. Let's move ahead then. Now let me introduce you to our platform, that is AlgoFox. Coming back to our local machine and to the PPT. Well, okay, so definition of backtest, since we have already discussed, I'll just read it out for you. Running a strategy or a logic or an algorithm on historical data and checking the accuracy, return on investment, and drawdown. Backtesting helps us to understand on which scripts our strategy will run and on which scripts it won't. It also gives us insight to understand what parameters can be optimized and how to make our existing algorithm more profitable. Right? So next, optimization. After backtesting a strategy, if it is profitable and has good risk reward ratio, we can make it more profitable by enhancing the parameters, and this process is called as optimization. Optimization involves permutations and combinations of time frames, parameters, and risk reward to come up with a unique set of time frames, parameters, and risk reward ratio, and that process is called as optimization, right? So this is what optimization helps you do, basically analyzing data sets of various combination to find best set of parameters and time frames on desired watch list to make strategy more profitable. So how do you create a profitable system? Well, you write an idea. An idea can be using moving average, MACD, super trend, Bollinger Band, doesn't matter, or price action, market profile, volume profile, it doesn't matter. Create an idea, use indicators, define your risk reward, create an algorithm. Next, check the accuracy in the backtest report. If your accuracy is not as desired, optimize it. Keep optimizing by changing parameters. Once you have backtested, once you have optimized, next and the final step is use broker APIs to finally automate the trades and let system work for you. Let the machine make money for you, right? So we have seen the first two steps. Actually, the step one we skipped because we just wanted to focus upon backtesting and optimization, so we did not discuss any idea as such. Just I have just shown you simple idea of moving average and super trend, then I have backtested and optimized. Now finally I'll come to step 3, that is to automate. Before automate, I'll just show you our platform, then I'll come back to the highlights of the platform. Well, let me take you to our platform, just a minute. Okay, so the platform name is algofox.in. So you can log into our platform by trade.algofox.in. We'll be helping you with free sign up process and taking trial at the end of this webinar. I'll just show you how our platform works. Our platform gets connected to trading platforms like AmiBroker, MT4, and TradingView. So if you're trading using AmiBroker or MT4 or paid TradingView platform, you will be able to automate your trades by writing logics in those platforms, and those logics will be instantly executed onto your broker terminal, that is Fires. Now here, let us say I have my unique ID and password for my platform. I sign in, and this platform is automatically right now connected to Fires broker. That means any orders that I will be executing from my AmiBroker will be executed into Fires platform instantly. I'll show you that as well in a while. So what are the features of this particular platform? In the watch list, you can define your own watch list, in which scripts you want to trade, what type of order type do you want to execute, and how much quantity. Suppose if I have to create a script, say I want to trade in future index, that is Nifty. All type of segments are supported: equity, future index, option index, future stock, option stock, future commodity, and future currency, right? And exchange symbol is also say Nifty. I can mention the expiry. Expiry is 26th of November. And quantity, fixed lot size is 75. If I want one lot, I'll write 75. If I want two lot, I'll write 150. Product type, MIS, CNC, normal, CO, that is cover order, BO, all the order types are supported. Let us say I go with maybe say MIS. Entry order, limit, market, stop loss limit, stop loss market, all order types are supported. Let us say entry order type is market, exit also market. I can define max profit and max loss also. So since I'm having two lots, let us say my maximum profit should be 2500 and my maximum loss should be only 1500. Once I have defined all of this, and let us say my strategy name I'll write as 1P, and when I click on save change, that's it, it is added in the watch list. Only those scripts that we have added in the watch list will be readily available for trading. If your AMI broker or TradingView or MT4 is sending a signal in some other random script which is not in our watch list, the platform will smartly ignore signals there, which will help you save a lot of money. Sometimes because of our mistake, we randomly run our analysis on illiquid stocks, penny stocks, lower mid cap stocks, which we don't want to trade. And if those names are not in our bridge, it would help you as a double verification process, and it would help you smartly, omit those trades, and those trades will not be executed onto your broker terminal. Here, you can also import and export the watch list. Once you have created a small template, you can import it, create your entire new template, and then export it back to this bridge in the CSV format. All the orders executed will be visible here. So these are the orders that we actually have executed today in Fire's trading terminal. So if I have to go to Fire's trading terminal, trade.fires.in. Oops. Yeah. So here you can see these are all the trades, all positions. If you'll see, there is Glenmark and Sun Pharma. These are the two orders, buy and sell, short and cover, short and cover. Total 4 orders were processed. You can see short, Glenmark short, Glenmark short, Sun Pharma short, Glenmark cover, Sun Pharma cover. So all the orders processed are visible here. Trades will of course be visible here. Net position will be visible here. Currently there is no net position, so nothing is visible here. There is risk management. You can define maximum open position per day, maximum long position per day, maximum short position, maximum trades per day, maximum orders per day, maximum trade per script. You can define all of this in detail. Then there is time management. You can also define time, from what time you want to accept entries from your charting platform, from at what time you want to square off all the open position. All of this you can define here. Then there is money management, trade settings, so forth and so on. So this platform basically helps you understand and manage your risk rewards in a more effective way, and it will help you automate trades. For example, I'll just show you, since our trading is already started and we're in full auto mode. If I go back to my VPS, I'll just go back to my VPS. Oops, just a minute. Yeah, so here is my VPS. I'll switch it, I'll keep it here, and this is my Google Chrome or my bridge, and this is my Fires platform. So, oops, just a minute. Okay, yeah. So now let us say on any random script, Havels, if a buy or sell signal is generated by this AMI broker, the order will be instantly reaching the Fires platform via our bridge. Currently, since the trading is stopped, there are some buttons. Using these buttons, I'll be just stimulating the trades. So let us say if I click on buy on Havels, I just clicked on buy on Havels, you'll see that order come here. So if I refresh, go to orders, you can see this Havels buy has come at 1650, right? And the order was rejected, right? And what is the response by Fires? Market is closed, you cannot place an order now, right? So if you check in our bridge as well, if you go to orders, you can see the Havels rejected order is already available with order ID. So whenever AMI broker is generating signal, and you can see the exact same response is visible here. Market is closed, you cannot place an order now. So from broker, it is fetching everything and showcasing you here, where you will be able to see your entire order status, trade status, what's happening with your automation, right? So this is about our platform, which will help you automate your own trades and your own logics. So if you have any doubts, any questions, feel free to ask here. Those who are asking if we will get the webinar recording, now you'll have to actually ask Fire's team. If Fire's team will be helping you with recording and everything, then I guess you might be getting webinar recording. I don't know, just speak to Fire's team for that. In the meantime, any questions regarding our platform or ME broker or backtesting or optimization, feel free to shoot. Okay, Vinayak asks, what is the time lag from ME broker to AlgoFox to Fires? Vinayak, a great question. The time lag is in the range of 300 milliseconds to 500 milliseconds. You can say half a second, 300 milliseconds to 500 milliseconds. Okay, this is basically the lag. A good question. So Vamshi asks pricing. Yes. So pricing of our platform, this platform, to use this platform, the pricing is 2,000 rupees a month. You can subscribe to our platform for 2,000 rupees a month. In this platform, we have three modes: paper mode, where you can virtually trade, right? Where you can do virtual trading. All the orders that you will be executing on paper mode will also have live MTM, right? And then there is auto mode, where the orders are fully executed in a fully automated way, and there is semi mode, where it is semi automated. We have all the three ways you can trade into. For fully auto and semi mode, we are charging basically 2,000 a month. Paper trading is free forever. If you want to experience our platform, if you want to check how automation works, and if you want to virtually trade on your own algorithms before you actually deploy your money in the live market, you can subscribe to our paper trading version free forever. In a while, I'll be just sharing you a sign up link here. The moment you sign up, paper trading version will be given to you. The paper trading access will be given to you. In fact, let me do that right away itself. So let me give you that referral link. All right, so I'm just sending a referral link in the chat section. Yeah, you can click on this, register yourself, and enjoy your platform paper trading free forever. The moment you wish to upgrade it to auto, you will be automatically upgraded to auto, and the trades would be executed onto your platform or your broker terminal, that is Fires. And now coming back to our presentation. All right, present. So yeah, the few highlights of our platform is that since the entire platform is web-based, unlike other platforms, we do not crash, right? Because it is all web-based. So there is no Windows or any other OS dependency. You can use our platform from absolutely any device: Android mobile, Apple mobile, Mac, OS, Windows, anything is fine. Zero signals missed. If a signal is generated from any broker or MT4 or TradingView, it will be executed. In the last 4 months, our clients have executed more than 1 lakh plus orders with zero order skipping on our platform. So supported platform, of course, ME Broker, TradingView, MetaTrader 4, 5, everything. Talking about our platform, it is India's fastest web-based algo trading platform. Why we are calling ourselves as fastest web-based platform? Because the orders are processed in 300 milliseconds to 500 milliseconds. Compared to any other web-based platform there is, we are comparatively very faster. There are EXE based application that are able to process orders in just 50 millisecond also, but that is EXE. They have their own advantage and disadvantage. When it comes to web based platform, we have compared it with industry standards, and based upon that, we were able to execute our orders much faster than them. Also, we will be having our own mobile application, and we'll be the first algo trading platform to have our fully integrated mobile application as well. Also, apart from these two things, we have our marketplace that is coming soon in the month of December. In the marketplace, we have SEBI registered investment advisors who are broadcasting their signals to our end users. And if you wish to subscribe or if you wish to follow their advisors, you can check their performance, check their live MTM, and whenever you wish to follow, you can follow them and copy their signals onto your trading platform. Moving ahead, talking about AlgoFox, well, these are the things that AlgoFox has: 20 plus RMS tool, risk management tool, time management and money management tool. We have order execution, trade book, net position, square of position, managing position, strategy wise risk management, maximum trade per script, maximum trade per day, maximum long and short position. You can define your own trade rule. You can smartly ignore false signals. You can scale in and scale out, create scalping, hedging, arbitrage strategies, and also you can switch between brokers. Also, you can create your own watch list. Equity to futures or option trading is possible. Maximum profit and loss per script is possible. Yeah, also, you can switch between real and paper trading instantly. So, Vamshi, I've already shared AlgoFox free sign up and paper trading link above here. I'll be sharing it again, maybe. I don't know if you will be able to see this, but I've just shared it. Okay. Which broker is suggested? By far, Fires is the best broker. I'm not telling it because I'm on the Fires panel. I'm telling it because I myself use Fires to trade and to execute signals on my personal trading system. We have a prop desk. Okay, right? All right. So Fires definitely would be the best broker. Okay, so today's offer for Fires clients, whoever is watching this webinar, is if you sign up for full version of our platform, that is 2000 a month. If you sign up for that, you get 10 plus AMI broker strategies, 10 plus profitable strategies with the source code worth 12,000 rupees free of cost, along with 1 month subscription of our platform. So our 1 month subscription is, as I said, is 2000 a month. The moment you can try out paper trading and trial version of our platform as long as you want. Whenever you wish to upgrade it to full version, you can remind us that you have attended the webinar, and you will get access to 10 plus algorithms with source code free of cost. And if you have any doubts, any difficulties, feel free to call us. You can reach out to us at 6361922946. We also have a YouTube channel called as AlgoFox. We also have a YouTube channel called as AlgoFox. You can learn a lot about algorithmic trading in AlgoFox YouTube channel. I'll just quickly take you to our YouTube channel as well. On YouTube channel, we have posted a lot of profitable strategies, a lot of algo trading techniques, and how to use AMI broker and a lot of stuffs. And there is also a lot of knowledge about stock market that we have posted here. So this is our channel AlgoFox. If you like our content, you can also subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to a lot of interesting topics that we will be coming ahead with. All right. So in the meantime, if you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to us at this number 6361922946. Yeah, Vamshi. So on 1 month subscription, completely free for Fires. Mahendra CV asks, what is the support you provide for linking TradingView with AlgoFox, and any support for coding script? Also the support for linking Fires, AlgoFox, TradingView. Right. So Mahendra, the answer is that we will be assigning you our support team. You can contact with them. They'll help you integrate TradingView webhooks to our Fires platform, and we will be helping you with automation as well. Okay? But the TradingView subscription of yours should be paid. And if you want us to help you with coding scripts, we do code scripts for our client, but we charge separately for that. If you wish to get your strategy developed on any broker or TradingView, you can again get in touch with the same number 6361922946. Tell us your inquiry and we will help you with that. Okay, so Jayesh asks, can we see some back testing on others in option? Okay, so Jayesh, if time permits, I'll definitely, because it's already 5, I think we are well above the time of 1 hour. But yes, Jayesh, in the next webinar, we'll conduct a separate webinar where we're just backtesting and optimizing only option strategies. I'll definitely help you with that. Apart from that, if you have any questions, we'll take quick questions. Vamshi asked, when are you going to teach coding? Vamshi will be teaching coding again free of cost on our channel, YouTube channel, that is AlgoFox. Subscribe to our AlgoFox channel. There we'll be teaching free coding. Just subscribe to our channel. Definitely, Sukhendu, we look forward to host you again in our options wala algorithm ka webinar. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Else, thank you so much for attending this webinar. You have been a great audience. And I look forward for all of you to sign up to our free platform and use it. And if you like, upgrade it so that you get 10 plus algorithms also free of cost. Okay, Vinayak asked whether a dealer can use this platform for his client. Yes, Vinayak, dealer can definitely use this platform for the client. We have 11 plus resellers who are having 100 plus active clients each, and they're executing signals for their clients. If you wish to know more about the dealer terminal that we provide, again, contact the same number that is on your screen and we'll be happy to help you with the dealer terminal. Mahendra, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kushal, for giving us this opportunity to host you on our platform.
Thank you, Subham.
Yeah, I hope everyone got a good idea about the algo trading using AmiBroker and how to optimize and profitable strategy. I think with that, we'll end this session here. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you all.